So first of all, you guys directly go to Digistore24 and you can see click marketplace and scroll all the way down and you guys can see physical products. Simply click physical products and there is two types of physical products you guys can find in Digistore. First is a skincare and second is supplements. So we click supplements and now you guys can see 48 results pops up. So it means there is 48 physical supplements product you guys can find in Digistore. So first, and these all products is you guys can relate it to like health and fitness niche, and the first one is you guys already a lot of people know because this is one of the most popular product in Digistore and this is the #1 product in Digistore. This is weight loss offer. Second is Steel Bite Pro. This is a teeth related offer, again weight loss offer. And the fifth one is like best brain health. This is like brain related offer. And you guys go to second and third page, you guys can find physical products. Okay, and we need a physical offer for this video. Why? Because I'm going to show you one side where a lot of people are selling their affiliate stuff and all people are selling physical stuff. So that's why we need like physical offers in health and fitness niche. So I'm gonna go with the first product. Why? Because this is sales #1. This is one of the most popular product and this product converts really well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just simply click promote, get your affiliate link and make sure save in your notepad. Once you did this, then step #2 is we go to like type kit.co and simply click this and this website will be open. So first of all, I am sign up in this website. You guys just, if you're not signed up, you guys can see the button here, just simply click sign up and it is very easy sign up. Just add your email and password and your account will be created very easily. This website does not need any kind of approval stuff. Okay, so these are the categories. First of all, let's see the photography type of stuff you guys can sell here and setup, fitness, cooking, health, film gear, travel, magician, music gear, sorry. And you guys can see there's a lot of more categories you guys can sell in this website. So first of all, might be a lot of people you know about this YouTuber MKBHE. This is like creating like technology and reviews type of videos, and this is one of the biggest YouTuber, like 12 to 13 15 million subscribers. And you can see this, he is also selling their affiliate stuff in this website. A lot, like everybody selling affiliate stuff. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna overview of this, give you overview of this website. You can see this in this website, like a lot of people are creators like YouTubers, Instagram influencers, bloggers, Facebook. These all creators are selling their stuff with this website and everybody sells affiliate stuff. Okay, make sure understand this. So I'm gonna go all the way up and I'm gonna show you of this YouTuber. A lot of people you know about this YouTuber, I think. So here is the page. So scroll down and he's selling like chair, Air Pro Dex, I think this is a Dex, and this is a speaker. Scroll down and this is affiliated by Amazon. This is like join Amazon Associates program and he's selling through he's just adding this Amazon affiliate links, and if anybody buy this, he is getting a commission. Okay, so everybody is selling their stuff with this website. So we are also promoting our offer with this website because a lot of YouTubers, Instagram influencers and bloggers are promoting their affiliate stuff through this website. So we are also promoting this in this way. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, you guys can see this plus icon. Simply click this icon and you guys can see, so I created a new kit before, but right now I'm gonna go and create a new kit once again. So simply click this and first of all we type it like, again I'm gonna type like simply fitness supplements and like this, and I don't want to add any of description. Simply click next. Okay, already exists, so we just go with like supplements right now. So once you create your new kit, then you guys can see two options: search for a product and second paste a link. So we directly paste our affiliate link here and simply click next. So right now you guys can see it shows something like this, but what we're gonna do, we just simply remove this and we're gonna add our product name and our description. So I have available right now, so simply Meticore weight loss, I'm gonna go with this one. And the second is I have a description here, and we also gonna change this image. Simply click this. Okay, so we go with this one, or if you want to add your own image, so I'm gonna go with my own image. Okay, I downloaded this image with Google, so you guys can see that I uploaded this image from my computer. I download this image through just Google, and once your image, description and the product name is done, you guys just simply click add to kit. So you guys can see that your product is added successfully. Simply click view kit. So we just simply cross this right now. So I created this also this kit, and you guys can see this is our new kit. It's called Meticore weight loss, and this is our description. If anybody simply click this, they directly go to our affiliate sales page. So I click this, it will take like few seconds, and you guys can see here is my affiliate link. If anybody buy from this page, I get a commission. So first of all, how you guys can get a traffic with for this offer. So first of all, this offer is also gives you this website also gives you organic traffic. Okay, why? Because in this website, millions of people came to this website every single month. Why? Because a lot of YouTubers, Instagram influencers, bloggers sending traffic to their offers. And what these people are searching this website, and if they are interested in like supplements, weight and fitness and health, they will buy your product. First of all, you guys are also getting organic traffic. And second way is you guys can simply go to, like, I'm going to show you the step number 3 is you guys create a Pinterest account for business. I'm gonna not go into the detail because I created a video detailed in Pinterest how to make money with Pinterest. I'm gonna give you a link in the description. You guys just simply click this and you guys can see how you guys can make money with Pinterest. And what you guys can do, you guys start posting and you guys start promoting this offer. So what is this offer is all about? So give me a second. There you go. So once you are here, this is like your landing page type of stuff, and what you're gonna do is you guys just simply grab that link and go to Pinterest. If you're uploading, once you upload your post, so for example this is like weight loss type of offer, and what you're gonna do is you guys post your destination link to when you're posting, you guys can find a place where you guys can post your destination link, and your destination link looks like this. If anybody clicks this, and this guy is also promote anything, I don't know why, but if anybody clicks this, they directly go to your offer, and if they click this, they directly go to sales page. If they buy it, you guys start getting sales. So first of all, you guys are also getting organic sales first of all in this website, and secondly, if you want to increase your sales, so go to Pinterest and create a Pinterest profile and start making money. I also created a whole Pinterest video. I'm going to give you a link in the description. You guys just simply click this, and that's it.